For the next step, which is a very important step, I'm going to be applying a black base to my lid. So this is the Plouise Badda Black base, and I love using this one because it's very blendable. It's the same texture as their regular eyeshadow bases. I would usually use like a gel eyeliner, but a gel eyeliner is a lot harder to blend, so I definitely recommend this one. So now that I have the base blended out on my eyelid, I'm going to go ahead and just set that using a black eyeshadow. It doesn't matter what brand of black eyeshadow it is, this base helps any, doesn't matter how cheap it is, this base helps any black eyeshadow to stand out. This one was actually from a Morphe palette. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to be taking this deep brown shade from the JUVIA'S Medium 3 Coral eyeshadow palette, and this I'm going to be packing into my crease area. So now that I have that shade packed on and blended there, I'm going to go into this shade. Is from the JUVIA'S Saharan 2 eyeshadow palette. And after we have that shade blended, I'm going to go back into the deep brown that I used previously, and then I'm going to go back into the black. So you're just going to pack on the black and blend it out. I like to use very small brushes, as this helps me to really control how high up I blend the black eyeshadow. Next step, I'm going to be applying some eyelashes. I'm applying some very dramatic eyelashes because you want something that's going to really balance off all of this black eyeshadow you have on your eyes. So these lashes are from the luxury Glam USA, and this is in the style Jamaica. Okay, so moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the JUVIA'S I Am Magic Foundation, and this is in the shade Tanzania. Next, I'm going to be contouring my face using the JUVIA'S I Am Magic concealer in the shade 4. And then I'm going to be highlighting using the shade 13. My smile lines. Moving back to the eyes, I use the same Badda Black base on Plouise again into my waterline, and then for the glitter part of the eyes, I just apply a little bit of clear eyelash glue where I want to apply the glitter, and then I just stamp on the glitter. I usually apply like eyeshadow first, then the glitter, but I like it a lot more with just the flat glitter under there. I applied a bit of the Plouise pigment in the shade Hint of Desire to my inner corner, and that's it for the eyes. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram.